We're going to be taking a look at this propane weed torch kit that was sent over to me to check out and make this video. I'm going to briefly go over the assembly and lighting, then I'm going to give you a quick demo of this actually burning some weeds. Let's jump into it. So putting this together super easy. You're going to take your burner head part, put the connecting hose into that, take your handle part, screw that on, tighten everything down. They give you the wrench here for tightening it all down. So we're going to tighten that down on that side, tighten this down on this side. Then attach your 10-foot hose to the handle part. You can also attach a 1-pound tank on this as well. There we go. And it's all set up and ready to go. The only thing I got to do is attach this to my propane tank, and we're going to fire this up. This has a very nice foam handle on it with some finger grooves on there. Holding on to it is very comfortable. Lighting it is easy. The only thing you're going to do is obviously turn on your propane tank. This here is the gas valve on the handle itself. Then you got your igniter down here, and it's ready to go. And you can adjust your gas as high or low as you need. And you've also got a handle here. You squeeze this here for your turbo. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for an easy to assemble, easy to use propane torch for burning weeds, melting ice, or laying down tarp or asphalt, I highly recommend this here. I hope this helps.